Speaking of those, dancehall icon Bounty Killer has filed a lawsuit in the High Court of Justice in London, United Kingdom, to retrieve more than £322,000 or 60 million Jamaican dollars in unpaid royalties from Othman Mukhlis through his company Jam Down Music Limited. Now, Mukhlis and his company reportedly collected over 325,000 in royalties for the DJ since 2002. However, the sum was reportedly never handed over to the artists.
All right, so the void in payments was said to have been discovered by Bounty's former manager, Julian Jones-Griffith. Bounty is now looking to be paid $73 million in back payments. The lawsuit, which reportedly makes claims for all sums owing to the DJ as well as interest for the 20 years, was filed back in June.
The court documents have since indicated that the DJ is entitled to and seeks a declaration that all sums collected by Mr. Mukhlis, Jam Down and or Abood belong to him and are held in trust for him by Mr. Mukhlis, Jam Down and or Abood. Now, court documents reportedly revealed that the British label owner acknowledged that sums were due to Mr. Price and transferred him the sum of £8,477.
Drop in the book.
So we said 324 and he transferred 8,000. Just saying, just saying.
Yeah, I mean, right there, I mean, what I like to see is that entertainers and producers, local entertainers and producers, are now actively and legally seeking monies that they are due. I think that that is something that we should have been doing a long time. A lot of people use the culture, which is fine. Using the culture is fine, but at the end of the day, credit and payment and royalties need to be sent back to where to the origin.
So I want to jump on the back of that and say, as much as producers and everybody needs to do that, I feel like a lot of us are also negligent in taking care of our own business.
True.
Like, you should be looking to see what's going on and what's owed to you and which song I use where and whatever. So yes, they should, of course they should, but also you need to mind your business. It's your business. Who are going to mind it for you if you're not minding it for yourself?
Correct.
Just saying.
Correct. And I mean, companies need to be formed to do those things specifically as well.